Another camera vlog test. This time around, we're looking at the cameras of the POCO X4 GT. If you just stumbled upon this video, welcome. In videos like this, I check out cameras of smartphones in real-life vlogging scenarios so you see for yourself just how the cameras perform. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8100, this phone reps 3 cameras on the back, 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel wide, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Up front, that's a 16-megapixel selfie cam. And if you're curious about other stuff on this phone, I also have an unboxing video. I'll link it up here and down below. I'm not gonna dilly-dally, onto the vlog. Good afternoon. We are starting this vlog. I'm shooting with a POCO X4 GT right now. I'm just at home because I am shooting my video for the POCO watch. And you are seeing video shot with a front-facing camera at 1080p 30 FPS. There is no zooming in or out. And then this is 1080p 60 FPS. My hair is still a mess. But yeah, I know that I'm not gonna be exporting these videos in like 1080p 30 or 1080p 60, but I still shoot these samples so you guys can see how the camera like does the different resolutions. There is no 4K on the front-facing camera of the POCO X4 GT. On the other hand, this is the first I am showing off the studio in a video, so let me know if you guys want me to do a studio tour. This is 1080p 30. You can go 1x up until 6x. Hello. Back to 1x, and you can also do a wide on 1080p 30, except you sort of have to stop the video and start again. 1080p 60 this time, so that you could check out like how that's different from 30 if it's the same. Zooming into 6x and then back to 1x. Now all the options for 1080p 60 and 4K is grayed out for wide on video. 4K this time around, this is what that looks like. Zooming in to 6x. Now I'm gonna default to 4K for the rest of this video because, well, my videos are shot in 4K and Emo won't stop doing his thing right there, typing down stuff on his little computer. Back to 1x. Let's take some sample shots from the studio. Oh hey, so there is a macro mode on video, but it reverts to 720p. This is what that looks like, and let's see how photos on macro mode look like. And by the way, Emo is taking a nap down there. This is what my desk looks like. It's a mess, and we're getting light from here on the side, but also I have a window here. And yeah, this is my workstation. Every time you see a video I put out, I edit it here. Laptop's over there. Walking and talking now, 1080p 30 FPS. We just got you here. This is what walking and talking looks like. Let's switch to 4K. Okay, this is not the best lit area of the house. Let's go back to the studio. And you're gonna see what difficult lighting situations look like on video on this phone too. And we are here. Oof. I'm happy to report that portrait mode does indeed work on dogs. This is now movie frame mode in 4K too. Okay, hello. She's having none of this, you guys. But yeah, I love the drama in this mode. And Chew here. game mode on front-facing camera this time. I'm gonna go and shoot my video. See you later. After dinner. Wait, you can zoom in using the front-facing camera though.
Hindi naman anak sabi mo, sino ba yung nagsabi na 1.8 yung sa SUR na di?
Happy birthday, Tatay! We are doing low light right now. This is 1080p 30 fps, 1x, up until 6x, and then back to 1x, wide this time, 1080p 60 fps, 6x, 1080p 60 fps, zoom into 6x, back to 1x, and now this is 4K, 6x, back to 1x. Right, this time around, this is still 4K. I'm still in the dark room with only that light source, and this okay, it is pitch black. This is the only light source, and this is what I'm taking a photo of. You can see my Mi Band, but yeah, this is night mode when there's almost no light in the scene. Okay, so I'm not saying that the photos I just took are necessarily good photos, but again, let me remind you, this is what the whole area looks like. Alright, I tried to steady the lights a little bit. Let's see if I can take better photos of this area. And that was our look at how the cameras of the POCO X4 GT perform in vlogging scenarios. How well do you think they did? Let me know in the comment section down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time!